Hello YouTube. Today I ordered a soldering iron from bangoods.com. I spent total of $12 on it. Let's see what they sent us. I have a purple adapter. Let's open the foams. Oh, here we go. I ordered the US version of this soldering iron. So let's open the box and find out what's going on. Okay, I have the US plug. Well, that's a good news. And then I have some soldering tips. Alright guys, wow, this soldering iron is very light, really light, and feels really good. I mean, it seems really nice. For $12 you cannot beat this. And it has a little adjustment. It's everything in Celsius. The lowest end is like 200 Celsius and the highest end is like 450 Celsius. The soldering iron feels really good. It's a kind of rubberish material right here, so you can have a grip, you can grab it very well. Let's see how you change the tip. They include total of 6 different tips, including the one we have here. So 5 other tips. Wow, this is really nice one. It's really good when you do solder flooring and stuff. Oh, these are really nice. Seems really nice. Let's see how we're gonna change it. Looks like we pull this thing out, and here's the tip. So we can change any size of tip. They have like kind of micro tip here. Just put it in. Here we go. This tip is changed. Alright, so I just plugged the soldering iron in. The red light is on. It's been about 2 minutes. Yeah, it got hot really fast. I set the temperature 450 Celsius. So let's give a try on it. Yeah, it's hot. It's already melting. So I have the 16 gauge wire, speaker wire. So let's give a try on it. I hope you guys see it. This one works fine. Look. Alright, so I'm connecting the same wire like just to give a try on it. So let's do another soldering section. So as you see, it works great. It works fine. Alright guys, so this is a little review of Banggood's soldering iron. For $12 I think it's worth every penny. At least in my opinion. Pretty light, easy to hold. If I have any negative points, I could say this is this temperature control unit is too loose. If you're not careful, I feel like it's gonna move the temperature around. So that's the only problem I have right now. But other than that, if you're careful, I don't think you're gonna have any problem. Seems really good. That's all. I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Thanks. Bye bye.